I'm Lucy from Charm About You, and I'm going to talk to you today about applique and threads. If you're doing machine applique, there are lots of different threads that you can use in your machine. You just want to be careful if you're using thicker thread that you're not choosing a stitch that's got a lot of density to it, because that's going to pull your fabric a bit too much. Just a nice cotton or polyester, 50 weight, 40 weight will do the trick for decorative stitches. For straight stitches, the thicker threads work really nicely and can create a different effect. But by all means, try it out on your machine and see what works well. If I'm using a thicker thread in my machine, I will use a finer thread in the bobbin. When it comes to hand applique, again, there's lots of different types of threads available for you to use. My personal preference is a cotton 80 weight thread. It's nice and fine and strong enough for my hand stitching, but it blends in nicely with the project. So I've just got a little sample from an unfinished project to show you. So hopefully you can see there, or not see, the applique stitches. It has been, I don't know if you can catch the stitches on the back. That was hand appliqued, and even on that dark background you can't see any of the threads showing through. But what I can tell you is I actually used a pale grey thread on the back. So one of my tips is you don't have to use coordinating thread. I think sometimes when people start out, as I did, I believed I needed to have every colour of thread in order to do hand sewn projects. But personally, I like to use a lighter thread and a darker thread and a medium thread, and maybe that's it. I just switch between those three. They tend to be greys or beiges that I use the most. Of course, there's nothing wrong with using the same colour. And ideally you want to be using the same colour as the background, because that's where the stitches are actually more likely to show. So if you're going to match your thread colour to your project, you want to match it to your background fabric. There are lots of other options with applique as well. In this one I did hand stitched blanket stitch, and I actually used a thicker thread, so you can really see that sort of handmade look, which I really like. And that again was a cotton. But it really depends on the project that you're doing and what that project's going to be used for. So if it's something that's going to get a lot of wear and tear, then you might want to think about using a slightly stronger thread. But I've used an 80 weight cotton for applique in quilts, and I have 3 children and they've all held up really well. So I hope you enjoyed that brief chat about applique and thread. Happy sewing.